In addition to being a dean, he also does a lot of battery research there. So,
hi everyone. Nice to be here, and this is our first experience to take part in the AI workshop. Thanks to our alumnus, ACTech alumnus Manogaran and Ravichandran. Just to brief, we have been working on energy storage technologies, both supercapacitors and batteries. And we have three important centers at Anna University. One is the Institute of Energy Studies, Center for Nanoscience and Technology, and we have recent addition in this in the Center for Energy Storage Technology. We have a couple of students who have come for this. And this year actually we have very big funding from the Ministry of Education under the RUSA scheme with the thematic area of EV technologies and EV logistics, EV modeling and batteries, charging stations like that. And we'll be happy to have a network with many startups and industries here. Thanks for the opportunity.